Hello, welcome to another video on this channel. In this video we will see how to open a project in Visual Studio Code using the terminal. So I have a terminal opened here and I have opened a project, and when I enter the command code space dot and then click on enter, I get this message, code command not found. In order to fix this, let's go to Visual Studio Code. So we can bring up the command palette by clicking on view command palette, and the keyboard shortcut is command shift P, and then we can start typing install, and then if you come down here that says install code command in path and click on this, click on OK, and you will have to enter the password and then click on OK, and over here you will get a notification saying shell command code successfully installed in path. And then if I go back to my command and then enter the same and click on enter, and now we can see Visual Studio Code opening, and then it opens the project which I had selected. Thank you for watching this video. If you like content like this, please subscribe, leave a like and comment. Thank you.